I'm Rita Santamaria, the CEO and founder of Champion School of Real Estate. Today I want to tell you why you must subscribe. When you subscribe to the Champion's YouTube channel, you're going to build confidence within your business. Why? Because you're going to learn from the very creme de la creme, the top producers in our industry who will share with you their tips for success in sales. You will hear from specialists in real estate, residential, commercial, as well as mortgage loan brokers, as well as appraisers, inspectors, on how they started their business and how they managed to grow it to the very top of the leader chart. As you know, it's always for free. Get current information, trends in real estate, learn from industry leaders, and once you subscribe, you're automatically notified of the next new interview that I will be doing on our Champions YouTube channel. Go right away. Subscribe today. The time is now to choose to be a champion.